characteristic and definition management. Definition marketing, the process on offering a profile concept of achieve in the face of a problem and an opportunity. Tale of the cashier, the is unsure of their definition. Type on delegation. 1. Program delegation. She produced a report for recur and routinity problem. 2. Definition are not programs. Definition requires of equity and a complex management problem. Combination of definition type. Program definition are not program. Problem, accurate reflection, routes, definition, cost of efficient relation. Production, definition of stancing, polishment, rules, and reduction. Example, product of necessary order.
Involves conscious process that incorporate the personality and experience of the decision maker. Intuitive decision making often occurs because high uncertainty, short deadlines, there are complexes, involves conscious process that incorporate the personality and experience of the decision maker. Intuitive decision making often occurs because high uncertainty, short deadlines, there are complexes, the influence of behavior in decision making. Involves conscious process that incorporate the personality and experience of the decision maker. Intuitive decision making often occurs because high uncertainty, short deadlines, there are complexes, involves conscious process that incorporate the personality and experience of the decision maker. Intuitive decision making often occurs because high uncertainty, short deadlines, there are complexes, the influence of behavior in decision making. Mark, trend again rise, potential for emergence, disaster, engagement, commitment, values. Values are a guide that a person uses when facing a situation where a choice must be made. Values influence the decision-making process, involving economic and legal responsibility. Ethical responsibility propensity toward risk. The amount of risk in any particular decision depends on their question. Have clear objective been established? Is information about possible alternative now? What are the future outcomes associated with the possible alternative that have been identified? Potential for dissonance, cognitive dissonance, lack of consistency or harmony among an individual's cognitions after a decision has been made. As a result, decision makers have post-decision anxiety. Dissonance can be reduced by admitting that a mistake was made. Maybe that's all I can say. I hope that the rest of the presentation of the material we convey can be useful for the audience. If there are words we say that are not acceptable, I apologize because perfection belongs only to good. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noper Handani. discussion, a tool to active result or to solve a problem. The result of process is influenced by many factors. Rational decision-making process. Number 1, revision. Setting target and goal specific and measure result. Problem identification and definition. Setting priorities, looking for the cause. Development of alternative solution, evaluation alternative solution, solution selection, and then implementation and follow-up. Problem identification and definition. Identifying the actual problem can be helped by certain factors. Number 1, perfection problem. Number 2, confusing problem with solution. Number 3, identification system and problem. Evaluation of alternative solution. The goal of decision making is to choose the alternative that will provide the most desired result and cause the less harm. The alternative outcome relationship is determined by their possible in the conditional, certainty, uncertainty, and risk.
Problem identification and definition. Identifying the actual problem can be hampered by certain factors. Number 1, perception problem. Number 2, confusing problem with solution. And number 3, identify symptoms as problem. Evaluation of alternative solution. The goals of decision making is to choose the alternative that will provide the most desired result and cause the less harm. And the alternative outcome relationship is determined by 3 possible conditions. Number 1, certainty. Number 2, uncertainty. And number 3, risk. Alternative to rational decision making. There is administrative decision making and institutive decision making. Administrative decision making, a model that describes decision makers. Number 1, acting with incomplete information. Number 2, influenced by their cognitive abilities. Number 3, influenced by psychology and sociology factor. Number 5, a model that employs the bounded rationality approach. Number 5, if you need any more translation or have future question, feel free to ask.